Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Dreamstone Arts. This is Manugna. Today I am going to show you evening party makeup. So let's get started without wasting our time. Taken my base as usually. So I am applying as usually on my under eyes, starting from under eyes. From eyes I am starting. I am blending it first and then I'll take some more base because it's not yet sufficient for me. So yeah, I have blended it and now I'm going to take some more base. Yeah, the base have completed. So we are going to apply powder now. Yeah. We have done up with our powder. So now we are going for an eyeshadow. So today I am going to use a liquid eyeshadow on my eyes. So it is 100% safe for eyes. And from the brand I am using Color Essence. So today I will show you how to apply this. So we will get like this thing. And now we are starting from our inner corner. And we are filling our eyelid. So this we want to make this thing as soon as possible. So this will dry very fast. So I am blending it. So I can have some more thing here, some more color. Yeah, you can see now here. The same thing I'm going to repeat on my another eye also. Yeah. Yes guys, now we have done with our eyeshadow and now we are going to apply kajal on it, so our eyes. Yes, we are going to apply it only on our waterline. Yes. Yeah, and now we are going for mascara. So yes, now I am going to do my under eye. So we have done with the light color of ours. So I am using for under eye also light color. So I am using from the brand of from the brand of Color Bar, and this white color I am going to use on my under eye. So we have applied very lightly. Yes, and now we are going to apply in our inner corner also. Yeah, we have applied in our inner corners also. And now we are going to apply a blush. So the blush also I am using from the brand of Color Essence. From the brand of Color Essence. I'm just taking very little bit. And this here I am going to apply it. Yeah, yes, now I have done with my blush. So now I am going to do my highlighting. And today we are going to make dark of something dark of our eyebrows also. So and the cream, I'm using cream eyebrow gel eyebrow color. So this is also I'm using from the brand of Color Essence. Also I'm using from the brand of Color Essence. So first I'm going to create my lip line. Yeah. Yes, and this is our final look. So now we are not going to do anything, and this is our final look. Yes guys, if you like our video, then like, share and comment and subscribe. And if you want more any updates, and then follow us on Instagram, Dreams Ronalds, See you guys later. Bye bye.